Low-code technology is transforming the way we perceive application design and workflows. In this area, not everyone knows coding, and low-code development makes sure that not everyone needs to learn how to code to design an application. Companies and business owners can now harness low-code development to design high-quality apps without needing high-tech knowledge of coding and software design. But since low-code is a relatively new term in the market, it often creates confusion for prospective learners. A lot of people are still unable to define low-code development. So in addition to talking about the best books to learn low-code development, I'll also talk about low-code development technology. So what is low-code development? Low-code development is a technique that allows you to develop software applications through a visual approach. Your entire development cycle becomes smoother and faster without needing to learn complex programming tools and languages. In addition to that, low-code allows you to automate application lifecycle steps and streamline processes involved in deployment of solutions. It means that organizations can create more engaging apps that directly relate to their customers without needing a tech expert. Low-code gives you the power of designing scalable and client-oriented solutions on your own. A typical low-code development platform will give you intuitive development tools, simple logic-based options with drag-and-drop capabilities, and visual cues and interfaces to develop applications smoothly. So when you harness the true potential of low-code development, you'll be able to deliver apps quicker on your business and clients without needing additional resources, improve your productivity as a development firm with toolkits and visual interfaces, make quicker decisions with cross-functional teams and collaboration tools. So let's talk about the features of a typical low-code platform. It's a good idea to see the rundown of some of the most common features that you'll find in any low-code development platform. Visual tools for application monitoring. Low-code platforms are essentially free from code editors, so you don't expect to write long code snippets as you do in Python, Java, or any other programming language. Instead, low-code platforms provide engaging visual interface where you can use different visual methods to model your applications. There are built-in components that make your apps more readable for any type of user. More importantly, since there are visual cues to help developers, low-code environments are great for business owners with no knowledge of tech and app development. Next, let's talk about the innovative functionalities. Since low-code is there to help you build faster, there are several built-in tools and functionalities that you may have not expected from other development tools. For instance, you don't need to build modules from scratch. There are management tools and modules for operations and sales process management, service management, etc. Next, let's talk about the easy drag-and-drop interfaces. Intuitive working environment means that you only need to drag and drop modules that you want in your applications. Therefore, whether it's professional developers or newbies, low-code development can help benefit everyone and help them create high-quality applications through graphical interfaces. Furthermore, low-code development offers cross-platform capabilities, reusability of code, scalability, and security. So it's a comprehensive package that should attract any business owner or entrepreneur. Now let's finally talk about the best books on low-code development. I'm sure you get a basic understanding of low-code development now, so let's move forward and find out the best books on low-code development. The first book we have is Hands-on Low-Code Application Development with Salesforce, building customized CRM applications that solve business challenges in just a few clicks. As the name suggests, you won't need to type anything in to build your applications. This book is tailor-made for newbies who don't have any prior knowledge in programming. It's targeted at anyone who wants to develop CRM applications and business solutions in Salesforce. The book focuses on how low-code platforms focus on business logic. The idea is to create business-oriented solutions while bypassing complex programming and software design hassles. It also talks about how you can develop, deploy, and design applications with Salesforce. Since Salesforce is a pioneer of low-code development, it discusses in detail how you can build creative applications to solve your business problems. Moreover, you'll learn about customizing CRM tools without needing any knowledge about programming. The next book we have is Building Low-Code Applications with Mendex. Discover best practices, experts' techniques to simplify your enterprise web development. It's a book for business analysts and developers who are new to low-code development and want to develop mobile and web applications at a fast pace. It talks about how basics to low-code development and why businesses are tempted to adopt low-code for their software needs. In this book, you'll find out about Mendex, a low-code development platform and its major tools that will help you create your first software application. It takes the readers through different tools like Mendex Studio Pro, which is a visual interface to get started with Mendex. Moreover, it talks about app enhancements, defense mechanisms against bad data, troubleshooting and debugging the deployment of applications with real-world systems. There are practical examples, real-life scenarios, and many other tools that give you a complete understanding of low-code development on Mendex. Next, we have IT strategy, driving efficiency through low-code development app development. In this book, you'll learn about different aspects of low-code app development. It talks about how you can improve your technological agility through low-code development options. The book discusses the 7 major reasons why IT leaders keep shifting to low-code applications, why there is a need for low-code development platforms. You'll learn about how low-code development can help businesses drive innovation while reducing IT backlogs. Finally, you'll understand how low-code development can digitize and automate manual and repetitive processes and save time for any organization. The next book we have is Oracle Apex 20, Full Stack Set for Beginners. The Oracle Apex 20 is actually a set of 3 books that focuses on no-code development with Oracle Apex. It talks about how Oracle Apex low-code framework can help developers create apps smoothly. This book highlights the use of minimal hard coding, drag-and-drop features, and interfaces to allow anyone to create compelling business applications. With 0 syntax problems and no written code, there is very little complexity in the framework, which means that users can design, integrate, and visually logic the applications in no time. Next, let's talk about Automate Everyday Tasks in Jira, a practical no-code approach for Jira admins and power users to automate everyday processes. This book discusses the fundamental concept of automation in businesses. The author talks about triggers, conditions, and actions that can dictate a certain business process automation. Readers can go through the use cases and understand how automation is implemented in the business operations. There are rule-based techniques and guides for readers about how to use external tools like GitHub, Microsoft Teams, and Slack to automate business operations. It's a great read for business owners and organizations looking to automate all or some aspects of their business with Jira. That's all for this video. I'll be sharing more handy books in my upcoming videos. If I missed anything, don't hesitate to mention the name of the book in the comment section. See you in the next video.